Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. In this video, we will explore the slider revolution interface, highlighting its key elements, introducing layers, slides, and animations. We will explore how to create new sliders and navigate through views. In the slider revolution interface, you can easily create a new slider just by clicking on the new module option. Slides in Slider Revolution are just like individual pages of a presentation, each holding content you want to display. Layers are the building blocks of each slide. These can be texts, images, or videos to make your site more engaging and beautiful. In the Slider Revolution editor, you can add slides, layers, and customize settings like animations and slide speed. You can also adjust mobile settings to ensure that it looks good on all devices. In the Slider Revolution editor, the slide view lets you design each slide. The timeline view helps you control the timing of your layers and animations. You can also use the preview mode to see how your slider will look before saving the changes. And that was a run through about the basics of the Slider Revolution. Subscribe to follow the whole series.